I feel bad, like when I tell them my stomach feel sick.
Yo.
No, sir. Far way to go. Jason vlog, so now we see the full video on his channel. But I know I'm ever prank him. Just get one idea. Guys, let me reach up and cool down first. Make a prank him when me I go back down. Good evening, Mr. White. How are you? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Can't stay within a long their country right now. Oh, I think them did look for me. So with their country right now, we'll come look for Jason's father. And me just get one idea coming up the hill. Just get one idea. It rained, right? And when it rained and you go up the hill, you know say it's not normal. It's slippery bad. So I say I go prank Jason. So I drop. So I have to be super careful because I don't want to drop mosquito. I don't want to drop for real. So I gotta set up the camera. I gotta set up the camera and position myself like my drop. And make look at dirt catch my hand and you know, I gotta sacrifice my clothes. Nothing wrong because we're gonna go straight home after. So I gotta act like my drop just to see how he would react. I don't know how I'm provoking and stay, so I don't know when I'm gonna do it because I don't want to prank Jason's father. Hey! I don't want to prank Jason's father, I want to prank Jason alone. And if Jody get catch, but I'm afraid to prank Jason's father, so I have to wait for the perfect timing. So I gotta just go and play around. When I see him walk away, then I gotta just make my move. So guys, soon come back. It's a dark up a bit and Jason and Jody them I talk to them father. I don't want the place to dark up. So I walk away from them and I act like me and look around because I want to set up the camera when I finish now. I go just call Jason, but I not go drop and call him because I don't want, you know, I don't want to change my voice and then it could threaten them as well. You know, so I go just act like me call him to help me pick something. I have to go find one fruit tree. Make it look like he might help me to pick something. And when he might come to me, I go just act like me a drop or act like me drop. So we'll look for a perfect spot right now. I'm nervous. I'm nervous. Hold on. I found one perfect spot for the camera. Perfect spot. God got me see one dog. Jesus, peace. I'm gone back for the dog. Alright. You see? I'm trying to make my phone. Jason, 1 minute please. Oh, you come with bag? You throw something there, I beg you help me pick that out. Okay. Oh! Ah! Ow!
Yo, easy.
Yeah.
You just turn me back to me 2 seconds. So, which one are you footing?
That one here. Left foot,
Really, you have to stand up on the next one. You have to stand up on the next one. Oh, never get you up, babe.
Thank you.
Look, you know, you have to go up on the left one. Go up on the left one. Go up on the left one, baby. Look at that. Yeah, come on, man.
No.
So, how me I go do? Me can't lift you down, you know.
Jesus, no. I'm coffee care.
I'm not good.
Care.
I'm not good. Take care of yourself. Yeah, come. I'm not calling them. I lie, Matthew. Yo.
I'm afraid to prank your father. That's why you're lucky.
You see how you know? Let me see it. Watch out. Watch out. I'm going to check my bones in Jack.
Support me, Jack, for you.
Me now look at you.
Oh, guys, I choke my show you. That's why I stop a prank. I'm afraid to prank Jesus' father. I'm afraid. Because I want him to fall feet and the next thing. He said, me? No, sorry for Ian dry yet. Guys, that could have been a banger, you know, if it did longer. But I just say, go. We are going down the hill for real now, though. May I come? And the dog, them afraid I'm too, you know. May I come? I have to take my time, bro. Guys, let me show you the hill. And it's slippery, you know. Because rain did a fall. Papa, me show. Could I? I lucky thing to me carry something in our car. I lucky thing to me carry extra slippers. Come my foot mud up. Guys, I did really want the video to be longer, but me tell Jesus say him alone must come or something. Me I beg him help me pick. Him carry bag them. So now him father thinks say I go down a car with the bag them. So they end up come. Me never did want prank Jason's dad because I never can keep a straight face. And I go feel away. If him did come see me, I pretend like me I cry or something. I not lie, I just act like me drop for true. I wouldn't know how to get up and face him and tell him say I prank Jason because you know I know everybody understand prank. But with their country full video on Jason's channel. Let me see how much try to take me up. Me and the mother just roll down the hill.
You alone.
Babe, if you ever just lift me to we go down the hill. Today was a nice day, a productive day. Jason did a vlog. I don't know if he did a record everything, but we got a lot of stuff done. So time for go home now. Mommy, enjoy your day?
Yes.
Me too. You enjoy your day, babe?
By far.
Hey guys, good morning. So it's the next day and I feel sick. I conclude something, but before I go into that, Jason just come with me, come provoke me. I did a dream, you know, but I feel bad. Like when I tell him my stomach feel sick. I don't know if I did tell you in a one vlog, but I was doing a pretty good job when it comes on to fast food. Never did I eat none because I have a little goal what me I work towards, and I did just take it off of my mind and say, you know what, no more fast food. And the fact that I change my mind from it is like when I smell it, it make my stomach feel bad. Like me, I say, I don't want that. Yesterday when we come back from country, Jason's mommy said she did want Popeyes. I mean, I said, alright, you know what? The fact that we're there and we spend all our day in a country, then we just get something to eat as well. I mean, I think about it long and hard. I mean, I said, Lord. Probably if I did KFC, I said, alright, then would I chance it, because even KFC cut off as well. I don't really like Popeyes. I don't know if because to me it's salt. I don't know if it's salt too, you know. I don't like salty stuff, and I don't like things with sweet either. So alright, I get it. So went get a 3-piece for Jason, get a 2-piece to me. I don't like big chicken. When I look at me, I see big chicken, I say, Lord. My stomach, because if I did KFC, but I take wings. And I say, alright, we can get a leg and a wing. Them not serve leg and wing. I say, miss, and I want a big chicken, once it not big. Anyway, she ended up giving me the leg and the wing. Little Caesar did have a special where you get 4-in-1 pizza and garlic bread. I said, alright, if I not feel for the chicken, then would I eat the pizza. Guys, I ate 1 slice of pizza. I eat 1 leg. Not even done the leg. And the cold sweat just start wash me. Like when I tell you, I just start to feel bad. I want to like throw up and it now come and put the icing on the cake. Conclude it. I not eat back fast food, none at all. Cut it out. I never, because I tell myself say I not eat it back. Then my mind starts to tell me say, alright girl, and I like it. And I love when my mind tell me say I not like it. Even if I know I like it, I love when my mind tell me say I not like it. It make me have more principle. Probably just me alone. Guys, I not eat it back. Just for smell it yesterday, I say, you know, say I not gonna enjoy this. And then when I come home with it, luckily, I ate the pizza when it was hot. So, I don't think of that. But the chicken, guys, even now, I still feel bad and I drank tea. So, when I go up on the road, the first thing I have to go grab a 1 diker. I have to go just jump up, glad Jason wait me. Jump up, go to the pharmacy, get 1 diker real quick. Or 1 Andrews something, but my stomach not feel good. So, guys, if you don't ever see me eat back fast food, you can cuss me out. And me honest, if me eat it, me will tell you no. Me not say I go either eat it. Just now go eat it back. I don't now go get a chance to cuss me up because me not go eat it none at all. And even Jason, I not like Popeyes chicken either. So the whole food just waste. And guys, me not like to feel like me a waste food, and me not like to feel like me a waste money. Me hate it. Me hate it bad. If you don't know me, me not play when it come on to money, none at all. So now everything just in the fridge, just put down there. I mean, I like that. I mean, I like waste money. I mean, I like waste food. So next time, I'm gonna just come home, come eat, no matter what time. But guys, I love you guys so much. Thanks for always supporting me. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're there a long time, thanks for your chat the journey with me. Road to 100K. Bye guys.